Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of B4Biker. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss out any updates on bikes and adventure. Without any further ado, let's proceed to the video. BMW Motard India has finally launched the 2019 BMW S 1000RR on 27th of June 2019. The new generation liter class superbike was first unveiled at the 2018 EICMA Motor Show in Milan with a host of changes. This time it proves to be a full generation change over the last year's bike and gets a new chassis, engine, suspension, adding some of the newest technologies in the superbike world, including variable valve timing. We expect the deliveries to begin soon. Let's see what this bike has to offer to the Indian market. BMW is fed with newly developed 998cc inline 4-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that belts out 207 PS and 113 Nm of peak torque and is more compact than ever before. The most significant mechanical update here is addition of the new BMW shift cam technology. The engine is mated to a 6-speed transmission which gets a bi-directional quick shifter as standard. The new BMW S 1000RR holds a number of driver's aid. The bike gets a 6-axis IMU that brings cornering ABS, dynamic traction control as standard along with wheelie control. 2019 BMW also offers 4 riding modes that are rain, road, race and dynamics. Most exclusive is a fully digital 6.5-inch TFT instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth. The Pro version of earlier S1000RR has been joined with a higher spec M version, which is using the M alphabet, which gets the BMW M paint scheme, carbon fiber wheels, additional riding aids and additional riding modes. The M package also brings additional weight saving in the form of lighter battery. Up front, it employs a fully adjustable 45mm inverted fork. Talking about brakes, it gets dual 320mm disc with radial caliper up front and 220mm disc at the rear with a single piston caliper. Overall, the revised chassis, new body graphics and lighter part have resulted in a curb weight of just 197 kg, which is a whole 11 kg lighter than the previous model. Its breathtaking appearance, pure performance gives rider true sports-like experience. The 2019 BMW Motard S 1000RR also uses a new chassis, swing arm and subframe. The new S 1000RR has been launched and priced at 18.5 lakhs for the standard version, 20.95 lakhs for the Pro version and 22.95 lakhs for the Pro M Sport version. This bike will compete with the models such as Ducati Panigale 4V, Yamaha YZF R1, Kawasaki ZX-10R and Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade. With pretty much liter-class superbike in the world on sale in India, the BMW S 1000RR takes on all its international rivals in India as well. That was a lot to be offered to the Indian market. What do you think? Tell us in the comment section below. With that said, thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Want to know anything about bikes and stuff? Leave down your queries in the comments section. We will be more than happy to help you.